Today we're going to teach you another recipe full of vegetables and flavor. We start with 3 potatoes. Peel them and chop them into roughly this size. Then in a frying pan add olive oil to taste. Put the potatoes in to fry and stir. Let them fry for just 3 minutes. They should look about like this, then remove and set aside. Now chop 1 whole carrot. We'll return to the frying pan and add a drizzle of olive oil. Add the chopped onion, stir, and let it fry for just 2 minutes. Once the onion is golden, we'll add 1 chopped red bell pepper. Stir and let it fry for another 2 minutes. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Stir. We'll add a pinch of salt, mix, and let it cook for 2 minutes. What do you think so far? Let us know in the comments below. At this point, we'll return the potatoes. Mix everything together. And let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now we'll add 4 eggs spread over the frying pan. Adjust the salt and let it cook for 5 minutes. Here goes some chives to taste to bring a light freshness. Now it's time to serve, a recipe full of vegetables and flavor, simple and delicious. This combination goes well with any meal, using ingredients you already have at home. If you like this idea, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical recipes like this. Let us know in the comments what you thought and if you would do anything differently to make it your own. Thank you for watching and see you next time.